Hey guys, welcome to Keerthana Cooks. Today let's see how to make the simple yet delicious spicy orange tofu. In a bowl I have taken around a half cup of freshly squeezed orange juice and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, around 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of chili paste, and half a teaspoon of salt, around 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or palm sugar. Now I'm going to add half a teaspoon of orange zest. Let's whisk it until it's all combined. This dish is so versatile that you can have it as a side dish for fried rice, or you can top it on the noodles, or you can eat it as a starter too. Now let's see how to do it. To a pan, I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. I have taken extra firm tofu, squeezed the water out of it and cut into pieces. Adding in 2 teaspoons of rice flour to crisp our tofu. Let's flip it and cook on all sides until it turns crispy. Now it's time to add our orange mixture to the tofu. Since we have added cornstarch here, our syrup will start to thicken. It's nice and bubbling now. We have to make sure that the entire syrup is cooked in a low to medium flame, or else the orange might turn bitter. Let's cook until the tofu coats nicely with the orange syrup. Now it has been around 3 to 4 minutes on a medium to low flame. Our tofu is almost done. Let's sprinkle with some sesame seeds for garnishing. Do try this recipe and let us know in the comment section how it worked out for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Keerthana Cooks. See you soon with another recipe.